Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul and this time I'm at the Repco Hawke's Bay Auto Extravaganza at the Tomoana Showgrounds in Hastings. It's Sunday the 5th of April. There's a fantastic show coming up, all in the great cause of raising funds to support the St John's Ambulance in Hawke's Bay. We've got classic cars, hot rods, hovercrafts, lawnmower racing and plenty more to see and do. So here's a quick 60-second coming up session to whet your appetite.
Have a good day, enjoy the hot rods, make sure you look around, man.
Mine, thank you very much. Thanks a lot, see you. Oh, look at that, apple and cream. Good. See ya. So if you like what you've just seen, keep watching because there's all that and plenty more coming up in the full video. They look good. Ooh. Hey,
Guys.
hello, hi. It's not live, but you'll be on YouTube later if you don't mind.
Have a good day, enjoy the hot rods, make sure you look around, man.
Will do.
There's going to be a lot of shiny things out there.
Look at the skills of that. I couldn't do it, I tell you that. I can burn bacon, but that's about it, you know. I ought to ask you your names as you're going to be on film, didn't I?
My name's Sinead.
Sinead. Ken. Thank you, Ken. Is that mine? Thank you very much.
Lovely to meet you, Paul.
Thanks a lot. See you. Bye. Oh, look at that. Apple and cream. I have to tell you that apple and cream crepe was as delicious as it looked. Next I went into the exhibition hall where there's a number of really interesting trade stands. Hello, can I have some information?
How are you?
Good, thanks. Now these folks are what this event is all about. It's not just a car show, this is a community fundraiser to support the brilliant work of the St John's crew in Hawke's Bay. And while St John does receive government funding, it's not full funding, and so they do rely on community and charitable donations to make ends meet. Thank you.
Morning. 'Tis a thing of beauty, sir.
And as I turned away from the Hovercraft demo, there was this lovely display by the early Ford V8 Club. I've just spotted Neville, the lead organiser of the event, just over here. Let's see if we can sneak up on him. I don't think he knows I'm here.
Look out, there's somebody behind you. Hey.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
And here is another excellent display, this time by the Hawke's Bay Classic Motorcycle Club. Well done, guys. And just near the steam traction engine, a nice little display of Jaguars from the local Jaguar club. We should also show our appreciation to another show sponsor, Mothers, who are auctioning off some of their products to an appreciative crowd. Well done, guys.
Who's got 120? 110. 120, thank you, sir. 130. Oh, mate, you're into it. 130. Who's going to beat 130?
See ya. Bye.
Bye. Hey, you bloody pong.